Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are going to look how we can connect your account to Egypt on tool4seller app. For that, just open the tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option. On the bottom right corner we can see the me option right there. Just tap on it. So after that, here we need to just go to the manage marketplaces option. So after that, we need to just choose the manage marketplaces option right there. Just tap on the manage marketplaces option. So after reaching here we need to just go to the add more options on the top right corner. Just tap on the add more options, and here we can see the Egypt option on the choose the Egypt right here. Just the last option, here we can see the Egypt. Just after choosing the Egypt, just tap on the next option. So here we need to just use sign in or just do the whatever, just sign in by using your email or mobile number. After that, we can just connect your account to Egypt on tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.